तो ये केस है ना जो हम
Yes, sir.
सुन रहे हैं,
Sir.
जो 4 केस हुआ
Sir.
जिसमें आप कहते हैं कि साहब वो जुलूस ने तोड़ फोड़ किया,
जी।
गाड़ियों के साथ वेंडलिज्म किया, जो भी
Sir.
किया,
Sir.
उसमें दिस पिटिशनर इज नॉट नेम्ड.
No, sir. In that case, he is not.
No allegation has been made that he was participating in the alleged occurrence,
Sir.
or because of his instigation
Sir.
the alleged occurrence took place. कहीं एफआईआर में आपने लिखा कि इनके द्वारा भड़काने के वजह से ये घटना घटी?
नहीं सर, लेकिन सिचुएशन खुद ही खराब थी।
सुन लीजिए जरा सा, जब सिचुएशन खराब था तो आप एफआईआर बनाए ना
सर।
एफआईआर में 13 तारीख को एफआईआर लॉन्च हुआ, 14 को लॉन्च हुआ
सर।
14 को जो एफआईआर लॉन्च हुआ
सर,
उसमें आपने कहीं नहीं लिखा कि इनके वजह से कोई घटना 13 को घटी?
नहीं सर,
नहीं लिखा ना
सर।
तो अब आप उसको क्या करेंगे बोल करके? हमारा सिर्फ ये क्वेश्चन है कि ये जो केस इनके अगेंस्ट आपने लॉन्च किया, जिस सेक्शंस में आप आज चार्जशीट कर रहे हैं
सर,
इसके अंदर मैक्सिमम सेंटेंस कितना हो सकता है?
3 years।
3 years. Then what is the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court in Arnesh Kumar?
7 years, sir, yes।
आपने कहा ना कि अरनेश कुमार पढ़ा है हमने,
सर।
तो अरनेश कुमार में क्या जजमेंट है?
IU has to prepare one checklist।
One checklist.
Sir।
Whether your IO did that exercise?
No, sir।
Why he was arrested after 6 months without following that procedure? And if it has happened, then is it not a clear case for initiation of contempt? Tell me. Suppose कीजिए आपको मैं जज बना दूं. Put yourself in my position. Will you have any iota of doubt in your mind that these police officers are liable to be proceeded against?
Sir।
Tell me, frankly. You are also a citizen of this country. We are all here the stakeholders. We all have to take a call. If this is the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court and your officers are not following that judgment, then why they are not liable to be proceeded against the? So it is a clear case of contempt. Will you agree or not?
Sir।
Mr. Khan?
My lord.
It's a clear case of contempt. Not following the judgment in D.K. Basu, not following the judgment in Arnesh Kumar.
Arnesh Kumar is a very clear judgment.
Very clear judgment.
Hearing officials are liable for it.
Yes. All right. So I am directing for registration of contempt case against them.
इसमें मुझे एक बार और चांस दिया जाए, फिर इंक्वायरी भी हो जाए।
क्या इंक्वायरी कराएं? जब आपने हर इतनी जल्दीबाजी आपको है, आप भी तो एडवाइस दे रहे हैं ना, इतनी जल्दीबाजी है कि आप चार्जशीट फाइल कर रहे हैं।
हम मुझे एडवाइस नहीं।
जब केस की सुनवाई चल रही है तो आप जल्दी से चार्जशीट फाइल कर रहे हैं without realizing कि that will put you in more trouble, and that has virtually put you in trouble now. Working in haste itself gives rise to a sense of malafide. जब भी कोई काम आप जल्दीबाजी में करते हैं ना, तो एक इन्फरेंस उससे ड्रॉ किया जा सकता है कि कहीं न कहीं कोई बात आपके दिमाग में मालाफाइड था, ऐसा चल रहा था कि आप जल्दी करना चाहते थे। ये तो दिस इज अ क्लियर केस ऑफ कंटेम्प्ट। Apart from the fact that the FIR contains false statements, many things are there. I think I will record everything. और कुछ बोलना है आपको? नहीं बोलना है?
Here is the my lord. One thing is my lord. They are at that time who are the officials, sir. They are the my lord. At that time, my lord.
I will ensure that this order goes to the UPSC also, if an officer in the rank of IPS will do it, will act like this, and despite service of notice on him, he has chosen not to appear, then this court will have to think of it. There are allegations of malafide against them. Who appears for the others? Private respondents? Yes.
I am appearing on behalf of the respondent number 7.
7. Who is respondent number 7?
My lord, the SHO of the Gopalganj, then SHO, your lordship.
No,
Yes.
I was not SHO, my lords.
What were you?
He was the one who arrested,
I
made the
was posted
arrest.
as Sub-Inspector Santosh.
Whatever you were. You had arrested this petitioner?
No, my lords, I was just a company with the SHO, my lord.
All right. So you were
And
there.
why, my lord, the follow to the order of the SHO, my lords.
You were there.
For the-
Yes, you have followed the order of the SHO.
My lords.
And then in your SHO, who was the SHO? Ram Sevak Rawat.
No, my lord, he was the SHO of another place, possibly Mazhagad, your lordship. And
I appear on behalf of the SHO Manjagar.
All right.
my lord, he has been brought only for the purposes that I made to sure that I brutally get thrashed, your lordship.
Now, this is my word against his
No,
word.
no.
My lord, this goes.
Now, in view of the charge sheet which has been submitted and the report 2 of the superintendent of police saying that I have been thrashed with a hard and blunt substance, your lordship. My lord would kindly see the report of the order of the judicial magistrate.
Mr. Misra, I am presently only looking into these names for purpose of
I'm so, my lord,
passing order. I am not recording a finding against them. I will only record the statements and then the prima facie case.
just one line, my lord, although not part of the petition.
For registration of a contempt proceeding.
My lord, I was a political activist till 2017, your lordship. After registration of this case and the manner in which I was brutally handled, your lordship, I left political activism and now I am working in a different field, your lordship. My lord, and now, my lord, Arnesh Kumar or no Arnesh Kumar, nobody has right to indulge in custodial interrogation, your lordship.
Check.
Do I
You are appearing for respondent number 6.
respond number 6, my lord? He is nowhere in the picture. There is allegation in.
You have filed counter affidavit.
No. I
Not
wish to file, but I wish to clarify my position also.
And my respondent number 7 has filed. You have
I'm
got copy
filed.
of 7. Respondent number 7.
They have filed 6 and 7, both have entered their wakalatnama, they have chosen not to contest my pleadings, your lordship, so it goes
This
applying
goes
the doctrine of
if this
non-traverse.
goes like this, my lord.
My lord, applying
Allow
the
me to
doctrine
go
of
out of the
non-traverse,
court.
my lord, they have
The
chosen not
way-
to
the
traverse
way-
my pleadings, your lordship.
The
So
way
it
my
has,
learned friend is shouting, I mean, how do we conduct this?
No, he is not shouting.
sir,
He is not shouting. He is
sir, I may not be as trained as good you are, but
placing his case. His voice may be. He
But
is younger
there
to
is
you.
no point in getting agitated so much.
He is younger to you. You cannot have everybody's habit of talking in the same volume and in the same pitch.
My case is this, my lord.
Yes.
My case is that in paragraph 9 to 11, there are allegations against me that I, at the instance of SP, assaulted this person. Now, this is my word against his word. I say I didn't, he says yes.
Yes. That
I-
will be inquired into.
My lord,
That will be inquired into.
maybe inquired into, my lord.
That will be inquired into by a competent agency.
I have no,
That will be the appropriate
no,
lords in this
no,
case, my lords.
no issues at all with this, my lord.
That will be inquired into.
Ji.
But so far as this
And I'll file a response also, my lord, because there
fact
are,
is concerned that the FIR does not contain completely correct facts. The same SDO who had given permission to
these things are there, my lord.
initiate proceeding, have you made the informant a party in this case?
my lord, unfortunately, he is not.
You'll have to add.
My lord, I will seek
And
permission.
only the court can proceed against him.
My lord, I seek permission to make him a party respondent, my lord.
Yes.
During the course of the day, my lords.
I will bring my counter affidavit on record, my lord. I have documents to show that I was not even there, so that I will bring before my lords.
Look here. Where is he posted presently? Mr. Mrityunjay Kumar, the then STO of Gopalganj?
I don't know, sir.
state, find
My
out.
lord, I have to get the information, my lord.
Collect information.
My lord, my lord.
लिखिए। सिविल सर्जन साहब आगे आइए जरा। आपके पास तो अब कुछ नहीं है ना दिखाने के लिए कि आपने एक्सरे रिपोर्ट दिया था उसको?
वही एक रजिस्टर दिखा है,
वो रजिस्टर जो है वो रिसीविंग रजिस्टर नहीं है ना?
रिसीविंग है सर, रिसीविंग ही है।
मतलब किसी व्यक्ति को कोई डॉक्यूमेंट आपने हैंड ओवर किया, ऐसा कुछ है उस रजिस्टर में?
कि नहीं है सिग्नेचर।
क्यों पूछ रहे हैं उसका जवाब?
हाँ हाँ हाँ,
नहीं, उसका जो मतलब है कि वो रिसीव किया कि नहीं किया, वो वही कॉलम है, ये पूछ रहे हैं।
ये कंफर्म।
ऐसा कुछ है कि हाँ वो रजिस्टर दिखाया बनाया गया है इस पर्पज से एंड
वो बोला कि इसमें जिसका एक्सरे होता है उसका और रिसीविंग दोनों इसी में है। ये जो
आपके एनजीओ ने बोला?
हाँ,
कुछ लिख करके दिया है वो?
लिख कर दिया है, लाइन नहीं है।
लाए नहीं है उसको, आप क्यों नहीं लाए?
मिस देखते हैं है इसमें, मांगे थे छोड़ दिया लगता है। लिख है।
इतना
हाँ, हाँ,
कैजुअली
है
आप
सर।
वो एकदम से लगता है ऐसे कुछ खोया हुआ चीज मिल जाता है वैसे आप कहते हैं।
इसको फाड़-
लाइए लाइए जरा देखा, फाड़िए मत,
फाड़े नहीं।
ऐसे ही दीजिए। ये हालात हैं आपकी। ठीक है, इसको रखिए आप, इसमें कुछ नहीं, एक चिट्ठी बनाया हुआ है। प्रेषित नजरे इमाम सब कॉन्ट्रैक्टर IGI मेडिकल सिस्टम। ये एनजीओ जो है क्या काम कर रहा है, उसके क्या हालात है वो भी एग्जामिन होगा उसमें। यही तो आपकी स्थिति है।
इंक्वायरी जरूरी है।
इंक्वायरी तो जरूरी है। लिखिए। Pursuant to the last order dated 5/12/2022, the Superintendent of Police Gopalganj. What's your name, please?
Anand Kumar.
Mr. Anand Kumar, the Superintendent of Police Gopalganj, and Mr.
डॉक्टर बीर
अपना नाम
Dr.
डॉक्टर वीरेंद्र प्रसाद।
Dr. Birendra Prasad, the Civil Surgeon Gopalganj are present. Full stop. Next, this court has interacted with the SP Gopalganj on several issues which are arising out of this case. Full stop. This court will enlist what has been found upon interactions with SP and the civil surgeon as under. सुनते जाइएगा, अगर आपको लगे कि को हाँ 1. The FIR as contained in Annexure 1 was lodged on 14/10/2016 by the then SDO, Sadar Gopalganj. Full stop. In his FIR, he has stated that without any permission on 13/10/2016 at 11 AM to 17 PM, ऐसा करिए at 11 hours to 17 hours, without any information the named accused persons together with 25